Your hands are your first tools, and when you're out in the field, they need proper protection. Whether it's handling a survival scenario or getting engaged in any outdoor activity, the right gloves keep you in control and out of trouble. So today, we've got 5 best options that give you the grip, protection, and confidence you need, without slowing you down. Updated price and purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's get started. So, let's start with the Mechanix Impact gloves. If you're out in the field, you know how important it is to keep your hands protected while still having control. These gloves get that right. The TPR knuckles protect against impacts, whether you're moving gear or dealing with tough terrain, but they still give you the flexibility to keep working without missing a beat. What stands out is the D3O padding in the palm. When you're carrying heavy gear or pushing through difficult conditions, it absorbs shock and reduces the strain on your hands. That means less fatigue, so you can keep going longer without feeling worn out. They're also touchscreen compatible, so you don't have to take them off to check your phone or GPS. And the ripstop fabric on the back resists snags and tears, even when you're squeezing through tight spots or rough environments. These gloves help protect your hands, keep you comfortable, and let you stay focused on whatever comes your way. Now, if you need a glove that keeps you comfortable while staying tough, the 511 Tacklite 4.0 gloves might be just what you're looking for. These gloves are built with nylon ribspan that stretches and breathes, so they fit snug and move with you without feeling too tight. It's a big deal when you're out there doing anything that requires flexibility. The sheepskin palm is a standout feature. It's responsive, so you won't feel like you're losing any control, even when you're handling delicate gear or tools. And if you need to use your phone or tech while you're on the move, no problem. These gloves are touchscreen compatible, making them ideal for anyone who needs to stay connected in the field. One thing I really like is the adjustable hook-and-loop wrist closure. It gives you a snug, secure fit that's easy to adjust. And the sweat wipe cuff on the wrist is perfect for those moments when the heat's on and you need to wipe your brow without taking your gloves off. These gloves are made to handle the demands of the job. Whether you're out on a mission or just need something that performs, the Tacklite 4 has you covered in a practical, comfortable way. Now, this one, the Magpul Gloves 2.0. It lets you move fast without sacrificing protection. They're super lightweight, but tough at the same time. It's like they were made to feel like a second skin, so you don't lose any of your natural movement. The suede palm is something we appreciate because it helps you keep a solid grip, even when things get slick. Whether you're holding gear or working with a firearm, you're going to feel that control. The narrow forefinger is a nice touch, too. It lets you get the perfect control over the trigger and selector without any awkwardness. One thing we love about these gloves is the touchscreen compatibility. You can still use your phone or adjust gear without having to take them off, which is such a nice bonus in the field. And they fit great. The compression-molded neoprene cuff keeps everything snug, but it doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. Plus, the reinforced pull tab makes them easy to take off when you're done. If you're looking for something that's all about comfort, durability, and flexibility, the Magpul Gloves 2.0 will do the job. Most tactical gloves sacrifice sensitivity for durability, but this one, the MOG Target Light Duty, gives you both. The Deck Swede Palm is only 0.6 millimeter thick, making them super light but still durable. It's like having nothing there, but with just enough protection when you need it. The grip is solid. Thanks to Tacklite technology, whether you're dealing with dry or wet surfaces, these gloves will keep your hold steady. And if you need to pull up your phone or use any touch screens, the thumb and index are touchscreen compatible, which is always a nice touch, right? Also, these gloves are very flexible. The flex joints in the fingers give you that natural range of motion. Plus, they've got no seams on the tips of the fingers, so when you're handling gear or checking something, you're not losing any precision. There's even a patch on the side for added durability, especially if you're crawling around or need extra protection. And the noiseless cuff? Perfect for when you need to stay low and undetected. Bare hands can only handle so much, right? Sweat, rain, cold, all those things that get in the way of a good grip. But that's where the 221B Recon gloves come in. Think of them as an upgrade to your bare hands. When you first put them on, you'll notice how snug they are, like a second skin. No loose fabric getting in the way. The Max Grip tech on the palms feels like your hands are coated in rubber, but without the bulky feel. Whether you're dealing with a wet gun, sweaty tools, or slick gear, your grip stays solid. And even though the back of the gloves is tough enough to handle rough surfaces, the fingers still move with ease, so you're never restricted. Need to check your phone or swipe through your screen? The Smart Touch fingertips let you do it all without even thinking about it. Precision is key there, and these gloves deliver. So that was our video on the 5 best tactical gloves for shooting and outdoors. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.